Want to see how we achieve this gorgeous mini twist layered look? Stay tuned. I will have time tomorrow. But yeah, we'll be doing hers mini twist, medium. Medium. Not mini, mini, mini.
Ladies, just detention. Apologize now.
I know.
It's okay. And tell your dad that black women aren't bitter. They're just tired of being expected to settle for less.
Period.
Her outfit settles for less.
It's not on no more, right?
No,
There's like 5 seasons. I know people were talking about it. One thing about me, I'm an old school hairstylist. I believe in hair care from beginning to end. And yes, I still shampoo, okay? Shout out to the old school hairstylists. No tea, no shade, but I see stylists out here, they're able to do a sew-in, they're able to install a unit, but they're not doing hair care. They're not trimming your ends. They're not moisturizing your hair. They're not making sure that you have some hair to come back to when you take that unit out or when you remove that install. That's what we need to get back to, ladies and gentlemen. We need to get back to hair care. This is my niece. So she already knows. We've been in this game for 20 some odd years now. She knows I'm going to trim ends, moisturize, do all the things that need to be done. The first thing I did was trim off about an inch. She wanted to get rid of some of the dead ends. And again, she understands hair care. So that's what we're doing. So I'm just trimming her ends all the way around. I'm detangling as we go. And again, I cannot stress enough, moisturize and hydration. Yes, you need to drink your water, but you also need to hydrate your hair. Now that all of that beautiful maintenance is done, I go in by sectioning the hair from the nape area. Now, when baby girl said she wanted mini twists, she got a whole side eye. But of course, this is kind of like our bonding time. So I said, you know what? Let's do it. We did it over the course of 2 whole days. Well, 2 half days. She's a stay-at-home wife, mom, house manager, and I work a regular 9 to 5. So yeah, we had to get it in when we can. Baby was sleeping. We're sitting up watching Insecure. I've never seen that show, by the way. Judge your daddy. Don't judge me. And again, hydration, hydration. I go in with the first section. I am moisturizing the hair, combing it through, making sure that everything is fully detangled and ready to go. You've seen a ton of these videos. So the hair that we're using, you already know, is the Springy Twist. The brand is Outre, and you can find it at any of your local beauty supply stores. The color we used is 2, which I believe is like a natural black. Once the hair is nice and moisturized, I take a little of the edge control to smooth out those lines, and then I begin braiding and twisting. I'm going to go ahead and speed up this part. We completed about 2 to 3 rows, and basically just repeating the same process from the nape and moving on up to the occipital bone of the head. Here, I wanted to make sure you get a good close-up, and of course, she could not stop flinging her hair. But I wanted to get a good close-up of the parting to see how smooth and sleek everything looked, how small the sections are. You can really do this style anyway. You could part it or you could not part it. It's completely up to you.
You feel Puerto Rican?
Puerto Rican.
You feel Puerto Rican. Okay, okay. Shake it, shake it, shake it one time. Yes, yes, yes. We are almost done. Get into it. Get into
This hair is so light and feathery. You absolutely cannot mess this hairstyle up.
it.
$5 in
Look
the
at the
EBT
layers.
card.
Look at the layers. The layers. So we got this last little section. And we'll be done. We are done. We are done.
We did it, y'all.
After, yes, flip it. Flip it. Flip it. She is light and feathery.
Yes.
Let's get the edges, the edges. Y'all see how clean that looks? It looks so clean. The edges.
Would this take us 9 hours?
I would say, yeah.
It was like 4 yesterday, 5 today. 9 hours. 9 hours.
Over the course of 2 days, dos días. All right, let me start back, stand up. All right, so this is the finished look. Cute. She looks like a teeny bopper again.
Oh my gosh.
And we're done. Shake it one time. Hey, light and feathery. Yes, light and feathery.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.